If you have no power going to your SpotClean ProHeat, the following tips may help. Start by plugging in your machine to a grounded outlet. To power on the machine, press the Power On button. If there is still no power, unplug your machine from the wall. Check the entire length of the power cord and discontinue use if there's any damage. Check to see if the outlet is working. You can test this by plugging something small, like a cell phone charger or nightlight, into the outlet. Often, homes have several outlets on the same breaker, and the breaker can be tripped if multiple appliances are plugged into those outlets. Try using an outlet in a different area or resetting any tripped breakers. Unplug and check the end of the hose, tool, and inside the dirty water tank stack and remove any clogs. Let the unit sit unplugged for 30 minutes after removing any clogs for the thermal protector to cool and reset automatically. Then test in a working outlet. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you are still having issues, please contact Consumer Care.